Hello everyone. Last year we have conducted a number of sessions with the help of Google Forms. Now, this year, when the result of 10th was evaluated, we realized that how difficult it is to save the responses of the students when they upload their answers in the form of images or PDF files in Google Forms. So, to avoid the problems that we have faced in downloading the responses and preserving them for our future records, what we have decided that we are going to take exams on Google Docs. Let's see how we can create question paper in Google Docs and how we can schedule an exam using Google Docs uh, through Google Classroom. So let me open my Google Classroom. Sign into my account. So I have logged in into my Google Classroom as a teacher. Now here I have a class named 12th B. I'll open this class. There are few students added in my class. I'll be assigning a test or an assessment to these students. So I'll click on this classwork tab. Click on create and select assignment. Now give a suitable title to your exam. So let's say this is unit test 1 for subject English. Unit test 1 subject English. If you want to give any instructions, give those instructions here in this section. These are optional, not necessary. Now I have already created a question paper in my Google Drive. So let's say there is a folder in my Google Drive. I've created a folder with name exams 2021. I'll open this exam 2021 and here I have created a question paper in Google Docs. This is the question paper that I have created. Now ensure that the question paper is created using Google Docs. Do not upload a question paper created in MS Word in your system. Always use Google Docs to prepare the question paper when you want them to be shared. How can you create a fresh Google Doc? Right click in your drive wherever you want to store the question paper and select Google Docs. When you click on Google Docs, a fresh document will open up and here you can type your question paper. So let's say I've already typed that question paper, class 12 English unit test 1, and I want to assign this question paper to my students. So to assign this question paper to my students, I'll come back to this portion of assignments. Click on this add button and select Google Drive. Now the most recently created documents will be displayed here in the list. If you want to look out for the document in your drive, click on my drive and you can see the folders present in my drive, and in exams 2021 I have stored my question paper. So open this folder, select the question paper and click on insert button. Now this question paper is inserted or added or attached in this assignment. Now on the right hand side of this question paper, the attached question paper, you can see a drop down list which gives you three options. Students can view the file, students can edit file, make a copy for each student. So select this third option. What this third option does, it creates a separate copy of question paper for each student in which the student can upload their answers. So I have selected this make a copy for each student. Now schedule your question paper. So let's say you want to schedule it for June 21st, 8 a.m. Click on schedule button. Let me, if you want to change the date, you can change it from here. So let's say I want to assign it for 18th, June 18th. And the time is, let's say 8 a.m. Click on schedule button. Now this question paper will be visible to the student at 8 a.m. on the set date, and that was 18th. So on 18th at 8 a.m. the question paper will be visible to the student. So this is how you are going to schedule your exam through Google Classroom using a Google Doc.